Hi everyone, welcome to the Ingeniux Minute. What's the first thing you think about when you hear customer experience? I bet you don't think about technical documentation. But the thing is, technical documentation is vital in customer experience, from your brand website to your knowledge base support site, customer support portal, and support team. Knowing where and how to use it is the first step. Creating it so that your customers can use it is the second. So what roles does technical documentation play in the customer experience? First, it enhances users' understanding of a product, enabling them to maximize its capabilities and features. That same content can also be used for onboarding and training, keeping that content consistent and accurate across everywhere it's used. It empowers customer self-service for those who want to get answers quickly on their own, and it reduces support costs because customers now have a better understanding of the product and they have access to the information they need when they need it. The key is that you publish it in the right places. So, for example, your customer support portal, your knowledge base, in-app help, articles in your ticketing system, and in your Salesforce communities. Plus, some industries still require paper copies of technical documentation for regulatory requirements, so we still have a big need for paper technical documentation. But before you go off and start writing your documentation, I want you to remember a couple of these important things. How are you dealing with the information as it changes? Because it does change. Secondly, customers don't understand jargon, and highly technical terms are really complicated even for your smartest customers. So you need to think about how you can reduce complexity and speak to the customer in their language. The customer also wants answers to their questions in different places. So you have to ensure that the content you're creating for them is consistent and accurate across all the channels you publish it in, including your translated content. Sometimes we spend all our time on one language and we forget to keep the translations up to date. And finally, while technical documentation is about your product, your focus has to be on writing and delivering it for the customer, the way they want it, how they want to consume it, and how they understand it. I'm going to share a couple of great podcast episodes in the links from Christine Crandall and Sarah Feldman that tackle parts of this complicated topic. That's it for today's Ingeniux Minute. Thank you for listening. We'll see you next time.